I'm Tony with Direct Metal Roofing, and I get asked all the time, what happens if it starts raining during my roof replacement? So that's a really good question. First and foremost, at Direct Metal Roofing, our office staff tries to schedule your roof replacement on days where we're not expecting rain. But you know as well as I do, we live in Florida, the Sunshine State, and it doesn't always shine with the sun, does it? Sometimes we get these unexpected rainstorms. So if this does happen, especially during rainy season, at Direct Metal Roofing, we instruct our crews to tear off your roof one facet at a time. In other words, one section at a time. How does this help? Well, instead of tearing off your entire roof and drying in your entire roof, we go section by section. So if we do see an unexpected rain cloud or if it starts raining, all we have to do is take care of that one section, ensuring that your home remains dry. How do we take care of that section? By tarping it or by rolling out peel and stick prior to the storm. That's how we handle it here in Florida when we get an unexpected rainstorm.